Divorce from an ugly wife. I couldn't believe my eyes. After so many years, she was right in front of my eyes. I'm still amazed because I never thought I would see my ex-wife again. I remembered our past. When I married Sally, Sally was 20 years old. Sally was very beautiful. She had beautiful skin without any blemishes. She was the most beautiful girl in our village. I really loved her because of her beauty. We had a beautiful wedding. On the wedding day, Sally was as beautiful as a fairy. I fell in love with her even more. Everyone in my family loved Sally very much. Everyone loved her because she was beautiful. We lived happily. I spoke about Sally in front of my friends with great pride because I know that my friends' wives are not as beautiful as Sally. I took Sally with me everywhere I went. I wanted to show everyone what a beautiful wife I had. But one day when I came home from work, no one was home. Sally wasn't there either, only my grandmother was home. I asked my grandmother where the family was. Sally had a big accident. She got scalded and everyone took her to the hospital. When grandma said that, I quickly came to the hospital. I found the room where Sally was and went inside. Sally was lying on the bed. Sally's face and hands were wrapped in bandages. Sally was in a little pain. After a few days, we brought Sally home. After a few months, Sally's wounds healed, but the burn scars did not disappear. Not only Sally's hands, but her face was also disfigured. Sally's appearance changed so much that some people could not recognize her. I was very disappointed. I didn't even want to look at Sally's face. I didn't take Sally anywhere with me like before. I felt ashamed to show others that Sally was my wife. I was always angry with Sally because she was not as beautiful as she used to be. I also lost the love I had for her. My family hated Sally. They didn't even want to see her. I was tired of Sally by then. I didn't want to live with her anymore. So I decided to divorce Sally. My family also wanted me to divorce Sally. So I told Sally about my decision. Sally cried a lot. Sally begged me not to divorce her, but I did not change my decision. A few months later, Sally and I divorced. I was so happy that I would never see her disfigured face again. It was after I divorced Sally that my life began to turn upside down. After the divorce, I married someone else. Her name is Jenny. She is very beautiful. She is even more beautiful than Sally. We lived happily for a while, but the company I worked for had to close due to losses. So I lost my job. I gradually became poor because I had no job. Our house was filled with many necessities. Jenny left me because it was difficult to live with me. That's why I was very sad. I looked for work everywhere. So after a while, I found a job sweeping the floor in a big coffee shop. I happened to see Sally while I was working at the coffee shop. She was with another man. I thought he was Sally's husband. The scars on Sally's face had faded a lot. Sally was very happy. I was looking at her without her seeing. The whole shop was filled with Sally's smile. They laughed and drank coffee. I thought that Sally's husband loved Sally very much when I saw Sally's smiling face. After finishing drink coffee, I watched Sally walk out of the shop holding her husband's hand. I finally realized one thing: the true beauty of a person is not in the face. It is the good thoughts that come from the heart that make a person truly beautiful. Thanks for listening this story.